Today we are going to solve Class 2 IMO, that is Mathematics Olympiad 2023 Set B question paper. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do so and let's solve the paper. First section is logical reasoning. Question 1. Dash can hold maximum amount of water. This is a very easy one, right? A is a tank, B is a glass, C is a bowl and D is a jug. So tank can hold maximum amount of water because it has high volume. Option A is the right answer. Question 2. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. So there are some scooters and numbers are written. We have to find what is the logic behind moving forward. So the first scooter has 11, second scooter has 16. The first thing which comes in mind is 11 plus 5, that makes 16. Now let's see whether this applies to the next number. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. That is right. 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. So our answer should be 26. But let's complete the pattern and re-verify. 26 plus 5 is equal to 31 and 31 plus 5 is equal to 36. So the right answer is option A, 26. Question 3. If morning is called afternoon, afternoon is called evening and evening is called night, then we eat lunch in the... So when do we eat lunch? We eat lunch in the afternoon. And what are we calling afternoon here? We are calling it evening. So the right answer is option D, evening. Question 4. Which of the following figures is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? So what we have to find among A, B, C, D, which if picked and placed on the figure, it exactly matches. So here if you see option C, this is something which can exactly go and embed on the figure. Now let me show you. It's here. Did you see? So option C is the right answer. Question 5. Which of the following objects cannot roll? So the object which does not have a circular or spherical surface, that cannot roll. And out of these 4, it is option C. Question 6. Dash is the cheapest. Cheapest means the one which costs least. The lowest number, the smallest number. So A is costing us rupees 290, B is costing us 95, C 150 and D 110. So the smallest number is rupees 95. So B is the right answer for us because hat is the cheapest. Question 7. Select the odd one out. A is laptop, B is mobile, C looks like an iPad and D is a letter. So A, B, C, they are digital means of communication and D is the physical one. So D is odd one out over here. Question 8. If square is related to square inside square in some way, then in the same way triangle is related to triangle inside triangle. Option D is the right answer. Question 9. If bracelets Q and P are removed from the given arrangement, let's do that. Let's remove Q and P. Here it goes. Then bracelet dash is fourth from the right end. Where is the right end? I got that. Now let's count the fourth one. First is K, second is G, third is T and fourth is S. Option A, S is the right answer. Question 10. 6 groups of dash cats each can be formed from the given cats. Let's count the number of cats. They are in total 12. So we have to make 6 groups. So we have to divide 12 by 6. So 12 divided by 6, it gives us 2 because 6 into 2 is 12. So what we are going to do is we are going to make groups of 2 cats each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in total, there are 6 groups of 2 cats. Option C, 2 is the right answer. Moving to the next section, that is mathematical reasoning. Question 11. Which of the following containers contains the maximum amount of water? So it is very easy. Through visual itself, we can see that P is holding the maximum water and Q and R are having lower quantity of water. Basically, P has 750 and then Q has your 500 and R has your 600. So the highest one is in P. Option B is the right answer, P. Question 12. The number name of the smallest number written on the hot air balloon is. So let's find the smallest number. And the smallest number is 152. That is 152. The right option is option C. Question 13. Which of the following clocks shows the time 2 hours before 2:30? So, what is 2 hours before 2:30? We have to take out 2 hours. Then it only remains as 30 minutes, which is actually 12:30. So, the right option is option C, which shows 2 hours before 2:30. That means 12:30. Question 14. There are dash slanting lines in the given figure. So the slanting lines we can see in triangles only. So each triangle has two slanting lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So in total there are 11 twice 11, right? So we have 2 11 times. 11 into 2 is equal to 22 and we also counted it was coming as 22. So option D is the right answer. Question 15. Compare the following and fill in the blanks. 8 tens plus 15 ones. What is 8 tens plus 15 ones? It is 80 plus 15 which is equal to 95. And on the other side we have 72 plus 19 which gives you 91. So we'll use greater than sign because 95 is greater than 91. Option B is the right answer. Question 16. The total cost of all the items shown here is, so we have to add all. It's 180 plus 75 plus 30. That will give you 285. Right option is option B. Directions for 17th and 18th question. The given pictograph shows the number of apples donated by 5 different groups to needy people. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So in any of the pictograph, first you see the graph and then try to understand the total numbers of each. Let's see, there are groups M, N, J, U, T and then number of apples donated. Each pictorial apple stands for 20 apples. That's what I was talking about. You solve and get the actual numbers. So M basically has 5 pictorial apple which would be 5 into 20. That is equal to 100. So in actual, the number of apples donated by M is 100. Same way for N, it is going to be 20 into 8. 8 pictorial apples and that 1 stands for 20. So 20 into 8 is equal to 160. For J, it's going to be 20 into 5. That is 100. For U, it's going to be 20 into 4. That is 80. And for T, it is going to be 20 into 3, 60. So now we have got the number of apples donated by each group. Now we'll see the questions. Question 17. The difference between the number of apples donated by group N and group U is, so basically we have to find the difference. So we'll do the subtraction. Subtraction would be, for N it is 160 and then for U it is 80. So 160 minus 80 is equal to 80. Our answer is option C, 80. Question 18. Which of the following groups donate least number of apples? Least means the lowest number of apples and that is option B, T, because they donated only 60 apples. Question 19. Which of the following numbers can fill in the box to make the given statement true? 85 minus something will give you 68. So when it's a minus or subtraction relation, we can find the addition relation also. So let's first understand that 85 is the whole number and one part is 68. We have to find the other part of that whole number. So 85 minus something is equal to 68. So 85 minus 68 will be equal to that something, right? Because that is going to be the other part. You remember that minus and addition relations? That is what we are applying here. So 85 minus 68 is equal to 17. So if we subtract 17 From 85, we will get the other part of whole number, that is 68. Right answer is option C, 17. Question 20. What is the length of the longest stick? The longest stick over here is stick M. Now we have to find the length. It is between 3 and 10, right? It's here. And that is 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. So 7 centimeter is the length of the longest stick M. Right answer is option C. Moving to next section, that is everyday mathematics. Question 21. In a camp, there were 85 boys, 70 girls and 10 teachers. How many total people were there in the camp? We have to do a simple addition over here. 85 plus 70 plus 10 is equal to 165. The right answer is option D. Question 22. Sakshi starts watching cartoon at 10 minutes to 6. Now let's wait. Let's understand the statement. 10 minutes to 6 means it is not yet 6. There are 10 minutes left for 6 o'clock. That means it is 5:50 right now in the clock. Which of the following clock shows the time at which she started watching cartoon? The right answer is option C. That is showing 5:50. Question 23. Mohit holds a card having 3-digit even number written on it. The number is less than 450 but more than 400. Which of the following could be the number on the card? So it is less than 450. So A and B cannot be the right answers because it is 472 and 461, which is greater than 450. So we have a competition between C and D. Now the second condition is it is more than 400. So our clear winner is option D because it is less than 450 and more than 400, which is 412. And it is also the 3-digit even number. Question 24. Kanika bought the given cupcakes. If she puts 5 cherries on each cupcake, then how many cherries did she use altogether? So in total, she has how many cupcakes? 1, 2, 3, 4. And if she adds 5 cherries in one cupcake, then how many cherries in 4 cupcakes? Simple multiplication. We'll do that. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Option B is the right answer. Question 25. There were 275 people at the beginning of the show. Halfway through the show, 25 people arrived, but 10 people left the show. So let's see what happened halfway. So 25 people came and 10 went. So how many actually are there? 25 minus 10, right? That is 15 people. So at the start, there were 275. Then addition is 15 more people. So how many people remain in the show at the end? 275 plus 15, that is equal to 290 people. Option C is the right answer. Question 26. Manish bought 3 pens and 2 notebooks. Find the amount of money spent by him. So 1 pen is equal to 10 rupees. So how many rupees it will be for 3 pens? It is going to be 3 into 10, which is equal to rupees 30. So we got pens cost, 3 pens cost. Now 1 notebook is equal to rupees 25. Then 2 notebooks, it is 25 multiplied by 2. That is equal to rupees 50. So we got. Now we have to find the total money spent. We have to add this and we'll get the amount. 50 plus 30 is equal to rupees 80. The right answer is option D. Question 27. 6 trees were planted at equal distance apart along one side of a straight road. So there was a straight road and somebody planted 6 trees and distance between one to another tree was equal for all. The distance between the first tree and the third tree is 12 meters. So let's see. So these are the 6 trees planted along one side of a straight road and distance between first tree and third tree is 12 meters. So before we proceed, we can easily find the distance between 2 trees, right? Because we know that it is equal distance. So if we divide 12 by 2, we'll get the distance between 2 trees, that is 6 meters, and it is equal for all. Now what we have to find? We have to find the distance between the third tree and sixth tree. Simple, we'll add the 6 meters. So from here till here, it will be 6 plus 6 plus 6 meter, which is equal to 18 meter. The right answer here is option D. Question 28. Janvi had 3 bags of carrots, each with a weight of 270 grams. Let's simplify that. If she has 3 bags and 1 bag weighs 270, so 3 bags would weigh 270 into 3, which is equal to 810 grams. She mixed all the carrots together and gave 200 gram carrots to her friend. Now from 810, 200 grams are gone. So we'll do the subtraction. Find the weight of carrots Janvi is left with. So she is left with 610 grams. That is option A. Question 29. The following table shows the number of candies each child has. Let's simplify this. So Sapna has 25 tens candies. That is 250 candies. Priya has 5 tens 2 ones candies. That is 52 candies. Anurag has 2 tens 5 ones candies. That is 25 candies. And Shivam has 52 ones candies. That is 52 candies. Now which of the following statements is correct? A. Sapna has least number of candies. That is absolutely wrong because she has maximum number of candies. So it is incorrect. B. Anurag has maximum number of candies. It is also incorrect because Anurag has least number of candies. Shivam has 25 candies. Absolutely wrong. Shivam has 52 candies. This is incorrect. D. Priya and Shivam have equal number of candies. Now this is correct because both Priya and Shivam have 52 candies. So D is the right answer for us. Question 30. Karthik bought 2 packs of mango juice. How much total quantity of juice did he buy? So if one pack is 450 ml, then 2 packs would be 450 plus 450. That is equal to 900 ml. The right answer is option B. Moving to the last section, that is Achievers section. It holds double marks for each question. Question 31. Anushka has a number plate as shown here. So she has 4, 0 and 7. Using the digits written on the number plate, fill in the blanks and select the correct option. A. 500 is more than the smallest 3-digit number formed from the given digits. Using each digit only once is. So let's first find the smallest 3-digit number which we can form from 407. So ideally the smallest one which we can form is, it is 74, right? Or 47, which is the smallest 2-digit number. That is 4747. And 3-digit if we have to do, it is going to be 407 only. It cannot be 047 because that will be only then 2-digit. So it is going to be 407 only. That is the smallest 3-digit number which we can make from these 3 digits. Now we have to add 500s to 400s in this. So 407 plus 500 is equal to 907. So P is 907. Option A and B both have P as 907. So now we will do the tiebreaker for them with statement B. If the digit 7 is replaced by 2, then the sum of the largest 3-digit numbers, original and new number, using each digit only once is. So what we have to do here is, first of all, let's make the largest 3-digit number from the original numbers, like from 407. What do we get? We get 740 as the largest number. Now they are saying if the digit 7 is replaced by 2. So now we have 402. Now what would be the largest 3-digit number from these 3? It is going to be 420. Now we have to add them. So it is 740 plus 420, which is equal to 1160. Right answer is option B. Question 32. Study the given figure carefully and select the incorrect option. So there is weighing machine, we have dictionary, handbag and shoes. The image was little bit blurred, so I have written where the pointer is. For dictionary, it is at 250 grams. For handbag, it is at 600 grams, and for shoes, it is at 300 grams. So this is the information given in the question. Now we have to find the incorrect statement among A, B, C, D. A. The handbag is heavier than dictionary by 350 grams. So let's first find the difference between the weight of handbag and dictionary. That is 600 minus 250, which is equal to 350. So this is absolutely correct statement. B. Dictionary is the lightest item. Absolutely right, because other two are heavier. This is also correct. The sum of the weights of pair of shoes and handbag is 800 gram. Now handbag is 600 and pair of shoes is 300. So 600 plus 300 is equal to 900. Now this is incorrect statement. And for us, this is the answer. Option C. The D is the total weight of two such dictionary is 500 grams, which is correct because 250 plus 250 equal to 500. Option C is the answer for us. Question 33. Identify the three-digit number. So we have some clues and we have to identify the number. The digit at ones place is the smallest one-digit odd number. Do you know which one is the smallest one-digit odd number? That is 1. So now we have got our ones place value, that is 1. Now let's see which option we can rule out. So option D cannot be the answer because it has 2 at its place, ones place. So A, B, C are the competitors. Now let's see the next one. The digit at tens place is more than the digit at ones place but less than the digit at hundreds place. So let's park the statement. We'll come back again to that clue. Third, there are 7 hundreds in the number. So this is a friend. So at hundreds place, we have 7. So now we have got that it is a 3-digit number which has 7 at its hundreds place and 1 at its 1 place. So among A, B, C, which are the options? A is ruled out. So A is ruled out because of hundreds and D is ruled out because of ones. Now we have B and C as competitor. Now let's come back to the second statement. The digit at the tens place is more than the digit at ones place. That means it is greater than 1 but less than the digit at hundreds place and it is less than 7. So between C and B, only C is the right answer because at the tens place it is 5, whereas in option B tens place it is 8, which is greater than 7, which is not correct because they are telling that it is less than 7. So for us the right answer should be 751, option C. Question 34. The given pictograph shows the number of pictures drawn by 5 children during their summer vacation. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So we did similar kind of question earlier also. First we'll simplify the pictograph. So we have children's name and number of pictures drawn. Each pencil talks about 3 pictures. Each pencil symbol stands for 3 pictures. So Shivam has drawn how many pictures? 8 into 3, that is 24. Rashi 6 into 3, that is 18. Nitin 5 into 3, that is 15. Monica 7 into 3, that is 21. Part 4 into 3, that is 12. Now we got number of pictures drawn by each child. A. How many total pictures were drawn by Rashi, Monica and Part all together? So we'll add 18 plus 21 plus 12 is equal to 51. So the right answer for A is 51. So we have a competition between C and D because they have 51 as a value for A. Now let's see B. If 2 marks were awarded for each drawing, then how many total marks were awarded to Nitin? So Nitin has drawn 15 pictures and each picture got 2 marks. So 15 into 2 would be the total marks which were awarded to Nitin. So 15 into 2 is equal to 30. Right option over here is option C. A as 51 and B as 30. Question 35. The cost of some items are shown below. So there are some items. The price tag is there. Let's see. Rakhi bought 1 burger. So she bought 1 burger. That means equal to rupees 30. Then she bought 2 cheese slices. So 1 cheese slice costs 75. 2 will cost 150. 3 ice cream cones. So one costs 35. So 3 ice cream cones will cost 35 into 3, that is 105. Then she got 2 chocolates also. So one chocolate is 30 rupees. So 2 chocolates would be 30 into 2, which is equal to 60. Now she gave 500 rupees note to the shopkeeper. How much money will she get back? So first of all, we have to total all the amount which she has spent in all these items. So let's add that. Spent money is 150 plus 105 plus 60 plus 30, which is equal to 345. This much amount she has spent. Now she has given 500 rupees note to shopkeeper. How much she'll get back is 500 minus 345, which is equal to rupees 155, which is option A. With this, we have successfully solved Class 2 IMO, that is Mathematics Olympiad 2023 Set B question paper. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done. Check out the Olympiad playlist and other playlists which will be really valuable for you. They have so many educational videos. Happy learning and stay tuned to our channel. Bye-bye.